Good morning. Today, after you finish your Hope to Spare Memory rhetorical device chart, you're going to do vocabulary 4. You can find that in the week 22 module. For vocabulary development 4, you have 2 new words: pugnacious, which is an adjective. It means eager or quick to argue or fight. And the example is, after the juniors told them to shut up in the lunchroom, the freshmen were pugnacious. And the second word is asinine, which means extremely stupid or foolish. The example is, I find it asinine that people use words like gay or retarded to describe something stupid when asinine is a much more appropriate choice. For your assignment, you're going to answer the 6 questions in complete sentences. Make sure that you're using the bolded vocabulary words in each response. For example, number 1 says, describe something that instigates you to act in a pugnacious way. This has 2 bolded vocabulary words. You need to use both. So you would answer by stating something that instigates me to act in a pugnacious way is, and remember, you have some previous vocabulary definitions that you might need. So the word instigate came from a previous vocab. So you can look at the bottom of the paper for those definitions. So instigate is to initiate an action, usually bad. For number 4, it asks, how would you best be more cognizant of the rules of driving? You're just going to highlight one of the options and explain. There's no correct answer. It is opinion. You just have to be able to back it up with your explanation.